About gender. About gender, do you know some points about gender? Do you know? Can you explain with your words about gender? Okay, and it is not only this a time. This word, this word in your daily will be multiple times. Will become multiple times. So here we are going to discussion. We are going to discussion about gender. Related to gender, what are problems? What creates problems? Okay, what we will face problem related to gender, and we will see. Okay, so about gender, one point. One point is you tell me. Do you notice? Do you feel feeling of gender? Do you feel feeling of gender? And do notice, notice what, imagine you ask, you said, you say your friend, from your friend. Okay, it is not. Okay, it is not. I am saying, what I am saying, you will see around, surrounding your area, and you will notice what, feeling of gender, feeling of gender. And how I can say you will feel feeling of gender. After this complete lecture you will understand, you will know how we feel gender feeling, how we feel gender feeling. Okay, so surrounding of your area, of people, your people, through your people, you can, now you can understand what is problem, what are problem related to gender. Okay, without time waste, let's see what are our question. Okay, and what have we learned from this topic, this gender. Okay, gender is a term that you have may heard multiple times. Okay, it is a term, however, that is not is easily understand. Means these are saying you cannot understand easily about gender. About gender, you cannot, we cannot, okay, we cannot understand easily. And so here are coming first problem is how we cannot understand. How can we not understand easily about gender? It is a hard word. It is a hard word. Okay. It is a hard feeling. We discussed in multiple previous lecture about discrimination, about diversity, discrimination related to diversity. So that's discriminations we understood, we understand discrimination. But this is also related to discrimination. Yeah, we can say, we can say it may be related to discrimination, related to diversity. And you will notice what, how much these these are dangerous. It's dangerous, dangerous discrimination of gender. And it is not a past time. It was not only in past time. It is happening at the present time. It was happening in the past time. It will it will happening, it will be happening in the future time. And this is continue. This is continue. This will continue. Okay. So till here we are clear. Till here, question raise how much it's dangerous, hazards, dangerous, hazards, dangerous. And how dangerous? In fact, it is something that that it is something that all of us experience here in our lives, where we live in on a daily basis. Means feeling of gender you will realize on a daily life in your daily life. Okay, where we live. Okay, where we live, and through your people surrounding your people, you can understand feeling of gender in your daily life on a daily basis. It determines what it determines. For example, who we are, who you are, means you, who are you, who am I. It determines, gender determines, yeah. And it's compulsory. Who am I, who are you, that person who are, it's compulsory for identify. Okay, so next we will see who we are, it's compulsory. Okay, in this category if we will talk about, it's compulsory. And what we will become means doctor, engineer, and officer. Okay, and many category, multiple category, different category in the career. So this decide who, gender in which we live, in which we live, means through society they decide what we will become, what we will become. So who decide, who does it decide? Our gender. Okay, but gender, who define? Our society. Who does it define? Our society. Our society means people of society. So people of society, our people of society determines, defines, teaches you what what you will become. Okay, so it's problem. And you will see often multiple times, and accord, and related to this report you will often see, you will often read what what are our problems related to this sentence, what you will become. So this decide who our society. So it's not a small problem, it's the biggest problem, because it's a question of career, our career, each person career. So whenever point comes career of each person, of every person's, then it's compulsory. What compulsory? Your own opinion. What is your opinion? Okay, so it's compulsory. Rather, it is not compulsory, but even your society decides about your career. It is not compulsory. Okay, so these decide are coming from past times. Okay, society determines are coming from past times, not at the present time. This was issue in past time. This is issue at the present time, and this will be issue in the upcoming time, means future time. Where we can go, it's a decide also who, our society, our parents. If you are boy, then your parents will say where you can go. We will decide. Okay, where not, where you can go and where you can not go. So who decide? Who will decide? Our parents will decide. Our society will decide. In this matter, involve our society people. Okay. When your child born, then becomes a start. Okay. What is life of that person? of that child. Okay. So where we can go and where we cannot go, it decide also who society people, our parents also, because our parents include involve in our society. So this is the reason we can say our parents also decide and will decide what where we can go or, and where we cannot go. The life choice available to us, the life choice available to us, those we are eventually make. Means who choice our life, our society. Who does choice our life means how we can live, how I can live. Who does choice? Who does select our society? And those means here indirect say what about society. Those we eventually make. What we what we does what we what does we want really in really. So it's also depend on society. And here indicates what society decide how we can live, how we can live, and what what we can and what we cannot. Okay. Our understanding of a gender is often based on the family and society that we live in. Yeah. And I said you what related to, I said related to society. Means understanding of gender. Means if you want to understand of gender feeling, then you can explore surrounding area your area. So gender is often based on our family and society because family involved in society. Okay. So we live and where we live in and where we live in, then automatically that place creates a society. Okay. It is a term that helps. It is a term that helps us to understand many of the inequalities. Many of the inequalities. What are inequalities? What are inequalities related to gender, from which we will face, we was face inequalities related to gender. Okay. So here are saying this helps us to understand how many are equalities of gender. Okay. And power relation between men and women in society. So you will see what power relation between men and women in society. Without without collaboration, men and women, we can say society is incomplete. Okay, society is incomplete. But it's not our problem. You can say 50%. It's not our problem. Our problem are inequalities. And through this we will face multiple issue, multiple problems, and we was face multiple problems. Okay, between men and women. And you will see related to problem of women in our society. What are problem? What are women problem? Okay. What are women inequalities? It is a suitable, it is appropriate sentence word. Growing up as boys and girls. Whenever we grow up time to time, grow up time to time. So as so you are boy, then you can understand, and also you are, if you are girl, then you can understand. Okay. When we grow up, then what we will face. Okay, what we will face, you can understand through this. And here I have mentioned some words, some sentences. When when we grow up, then what we face problems, okay, related to gender. Being a boy or a girl is an important part of one's identify. Yes, here I said what, where, here who we are, it's compulsory to identify. So here are saying being a boy and or a girl is important part. It is important part. It is not it is a gender. Okay, it is gender, but it is not gender discrimination. It becomes important part of one's identify. Who are you? It's identify and it's compulsory. The society we grow up, when we grow up in teachers. In society, we teach us when we grow up what kind of behavior is acceptable for girls. Means what will be behavior for girl? What what will be behavior for girl? And if you are girl, then what are behavior for purpose boy? Okay, so what boy and the girl can and can not do, and you will see you what you can and what you cannot do. So it's normal. You will see and you see what. Okay. So here you are saying what are behavior for girls, what are behavior for boys. Okay, and it is compulsory. It is compulsory means identify being a boy and being a girl. It is not a discrimination, gender discrimination. It is compulsory for identify to understand who are you. Okay, who are you. Okay, so the main responsibilities for housework and caregiving tasks is done by the woman. Means your mother work in housework, in a housework. So you will see what your mother work multiple work. Your mother work multiple work. So you do notice, what but our mother our mother have responsibilities more, and you can understand of your mother problems. It is not problem, but problem when these work, these responsibilities is more, okay, is more of for the woman, then it is heavy. Okay, it is heavy for woman. In short, we will say about it. Gender is a term that you may have heard this word. It is a term, however, that is not easily understand. Means we cannot easily understand about gender discriminations, and you will read related to women gender discriminations means inequalities. In fact, it is something that all of us experience, because when we grow up slowly, time to time, then we will have experience of our age. Okay, so all of us experience in our lives where we live on a daily basis. It determines, means gender determines, for example, who you are. Gender determines and what we will become. Okay, means doctor, engineer, and mechanics, anything. Okay, anything. So who decide? Our society. Who does so decide? Our society, where we can go and where we cannot go. Also, gender decide. Okay, gender discrimination decide. And in this, who involve? Our society and our family. The life choice available to us and those who we eventually make. Our understanding of gender is often based on the family and society that we live in. Means here are saying it is a depend on family. It is a depend on family and society. Society. This family and society can decide who we are. Okay, what we will become, where we can go, and where we cannot go. So this family and this society decide, okay, where we live in. It is a term that helps us to understand many of the inequalities, and you can understand through this chapter, through this explain discussion here how many are inequalities related to gender and power relation between men and women in society. Means women have many responsibilities in the regarding task of housework. Okay, so you see in your in your family matter, growing up as boys and girls. Being a boy, being a girl is not a gender discrimination. It is compulsory. It is compulsory of identifies. Means who are you? So to identify being a boy, being a girl, it is compulsory. Okay. This society where we grow up, it teaches. Society teaches what kind of behavior is acceptable for girl and is acceptable for boys. So our society teaches, okay, what kind of behavior is acceptable for girls and for boys. What boys and girls can or cannot do. It also depends. It also depends on our society. And here are not mentioned family because family involve in society. The main responsibilities for housework and caregiving task is done by the women. You will see women have multiple tasks and multiple responsibilities. So face this women face from multiple tasks and from multiple responsibilities in the regarding your housework. Okay. So in the next we will see related to this we will discuss. Talking to next most domestic workers. Domestic worker means in our house whatever available is available in our house and that is work. You can say that is work and that work in another word we say what domestic work. Most domestic works means multiple domestic works are women have most domestic workers. Okay, women's work and equality. Here here are discussing what work of women and equality of women. You will see what are work of women, what are inequality of women, what are equality of women. Okay, the inequality between men and women has to be dealt with through actions, has to build. Here are saying to solve the gender discrimination between men and women. So inequality has to be dealt with through actions, not just at the level of the individual. Means not only individual can. Okay, also individual, also family, and also by the government. These these inequality between men and women be removed can be removed through actions of individual, of family, and by the government. Okay, so through this can be remove our inequality between whatever whatever happens in between men and women. Okay, so it is not a responsibility only for individual, only for family, only for government. And you are thinking only one can do this remove inequality between men and women, can remove only one person, that is government. If you are thinking this like this, so this cannot be happen. Okay, cannot be happen. What I am telling you, I am telling you, this work means remove inequality between men and women is not only for individual, and is not only for family, and is not only for work, for government. So through this group, inequality between men and women can be removed. Okay, so it's compulsory to remove inequality between these two persons. And our constitutions related to gender discriminations, what it tells us, and in our constitutions are mentioned about inequality. No, remove inequality. Okay, about remove inequality, whether that is gender and that is whatever problems. Okay, so here say tells us constitution says that being male or female should not become a reason for discrimination. Okay, and you will discuss whenever you will discuss in the Indian Constitution's Article 15, and Article 15, in Article 15 are mentioned about a provision of a discrimination. Okay, provision of a discrimination. So here are saying whether they are male, they are female, not matter, but should not become a reason for a discrimination. Would says Constitution says if become if if being a male, being a female become a reason of discrimination, then according to Indian Constitution, take an action. Okay, of this issue. So what our constitutions define about it. So you are looking and you are ready. Okay. So in this context are involved our Indian constitutions, means opinion of Indian constitutions. What it tells, it is clear. You are getting, and the government has set up Anganwadis or child care centers in several villages in the country. And now you will see, you are looking what our government, work of our government, what are in the matter of remove inequality between men and women. Our government has set up Anganwadis or child cares, and you will see in your village, if you live in village there. Okay, because almost in village are found child care and Anganwadis, and our government has set up this. Okay, this center in many village, in several village in the country, in our country. Okay, social equality is when social equality is when resource in a given society means already resources given. Okay, are given already, and in a given society are distributed evenly, then comes equality in society. So by government are given resources, and that resources are distributed evenly in social, and equality are distributed equality between society people, then comes equality between men and women. Okay, many people believe in these stereotypes means people, some people thinks already, and some people creates already. That person is what, and through, you can say, through physical, through mentality, and through background, historical background. Okay, geographical background. So some people, I am not saying all people completely, entirely. No, some people think already without complete knowledge. Without complete knowledge, what will be region of that person. So without knowledge, if we think about one man to do one image particularly of that person, okay, then becomes stereotypes. In short, we say what if we are talking about, if if one person is talking about of any person, okay, of any person, and that person is thinking, my neighbor man is not good in some way. So that person is on incomplete knowledge. That person means who are thinking. That person has an incomplete knowledge. If that person will now, what is reason? What is reason? Who are thinking what my neighbor man is not nice. So what are matters in that person say my neighbor man is not nice. So what are reason? What will be reason? Okay, and if that person who are thinking will talk with our neighbor proxy, neighbor man, okay, neighbor man, then that person can found soul, that person can found happy happiness, okay. So that person can solve your problem, okay, solve for your thinking. But if we are thinking without complete knowledge, then stereotypes becomes. Many girls do not in these stereotypes. Here are given stereotypes. Many girls do not get the same support, such as well as boys do to study and train to become doctors and engineers. But this allow this allow many girls have not this allows many girls have not this allows. So this is stereotypes. We already thinking through historical background. Okay, and you see in your society, and where you study, what many people have not the same support as well as boys have to do study, and and try to become in any career. Okay, so what are difference between boys and girls in the some opportunity? Okay, and this is stereotypes. A schooling and education today. Okay, now we are saying what what are situation as- of a schooling of boys of girls. What are situation situation of education at the present time of boys of girls. And here are mentioned today both boys and girls attend attend a school in a large number. And now we are seeing, we are looking whether mon- many boys, many girls are getting attend a school in a large number in a school, okay, at a school and also in college. But here are given some report through that we can understand. What the report what tells us? Okay, there still remain difference. There still remain difference between the education of boys and girls. What are remain difference between and how, why? Okay, why are still remain difference between the education of boys and girls? And here we read what both boys and girls attend are getting attend a school in large numbers, and now you are saying still remain difference between. Okay, some numbers maybe. According to the 1961 census means calculation of a population. Okay, calculation of a population. So calculation of a population means data of a population. According to the 1961 census, this was report about 40% of all boys. Okay, and in this involve are men who are 7 years old above. Okay, above of 7 years, and okay, were literate. How many percent? How many are percent? 20% of all boys, not here are saying girl, were literate compared to just 50% of girls and women. Okay, so here you are looking what are percent? 40% of all boys and 50% of girls. So this was a difference between, and time is what? 1961. In this time, you can imagine what was situation of our education, of our situation of our boys and girls. So is this time 40% boys were literate and 50% girls were literate, and mostly recent data of census we will discuss, but in short we will discuss about it. Most domestic workers are women. Women have multiple responsibilities, and according to and due to most multiple responsibilities, women does not work in better situation. Okay, does not work in better situation. Women's work and women's equality. What are equality of women and what are works of women? The inequality between men and women. Okay, we discuss in just back lecture what are work. These are work. Most domestic workers are women. Women have a most domestic workers. Okay, so equality is what already we have seen in the just previous lecture, and here we are saying what remove inequality. Okay, the inequality between men and women has to be dealt, and not only through individual, not only through family, not only through by government. Okay, has to dealt with through actions with individual, with family, and by the government. And through this our person through this can remove inequality between men and women. The constitution says that being male and being a female should not become a reason for discrimination. If like this means if being a male, being a female become a reason for discrimination, then according to Indian Constitution, our government, level government, okay, can take action, okay, on this issue. The government what tells us regarding to this inequality, remove inequality. Government has a setup. Setup is what? Setup are what? Anganwadis or child care centers. And through this, our government can remove inequality between girl and boy. in several village in the country. These are available in several village in the our country. Social equality is when resources are given by government. Resources in a given society and society are distributed evenly. Then comes, then also can come equality in society. Okay, how how come how come how does comes when our government provide some resources for society and society are distributed evenly equally between your people, then becomes equality. Okay, many people believe in these stereotypes. What is stereotypes? Many girls have not get the have not do not get the same support as well as boys have do to study and train to become doctors and engineers in any careers, but at the but as well as many girls have not get the same support. Okay, you can say many girls have not rights. Okay, in other words you can say in this regard, where where our girl category can make your career. A schooling and education today, what are situation? Okay, of boy and girl. Today, both boys and girls attend and are attending in a school in a large numbers, and we are saying at the present time situation of at the present time, and it's a reality. Okay, this still remain difference between the education of boys and girls, and these are saying what are still remain difference between the education of boys and girls. Here are given two census. One census of 1961. This census tells us 40% of all boys and 50% of all girls. Means this was a difference between the education of boys and girls. So according to this, we can find we could find out in the past time. And in the next what will come, then we will discuss. Now we are moving to next. We are going to discuss to next. In the most recent census and in the most recent census of 1961 around, okay, we have seen. So now we are looking most recent census of 2011. Census of 2011. According to, we can find out what was the situation. What was the situation at the this time? At this time, what was the situation of education of boys and girls? And means according to this and okay, means after this time we will we will calculate we can we can calculate easily. Okay, what are situation of education of boys and of girls after this time we will easily now. Was it okay? This figure means report census of 2011. This report tells us have grown. This reports figure have grown means data have grown at 82% for boys, men, okay, include, and 60% for girls and women. So here you are looking percentage percentage of boy and percentage of a girl. What are 80% of boy and 65% of girls according to census of 2011. So this report tells us what in the past time, in the recent past time, what was the situation of education of boys and girls, and now in the in the most recent time, 2011, this report tells us the what is the situation, what was the situation at this time, means have grown. What grown? 80%, means 40 to 82%. These source grown, have grown in the matter of education. 65% have grown. 50% we saw in the census of 1961. Okay, so this have grown, and it's our situation of education. The percentage of the male group is still higher than the female group. Means male group, percentage of male group is higher, still higher, is still higher, but female group is not higher than female group, than female group, or male group. Okay, so 82% and 65%. So this is great number, this is low number, this is higher, it is lower. So it tells us what? Now is still higher higher percentage of men boys, and according to in compare to female group is lower than boys percentage. Okay, st and st girls leave schools at the rate that is higher than the category all girls. If you notice what all girls means, apart from these girls leave schools at the higher rate. At the higher rate, you will see leaving a school of ST and ST girls, SC and ST girls. It is a higher rate, and it sentence tells us what? Apart from that, apart from apart from this girl are leaving schools. Okay, like because of lack of resources, lack of money, lack of employment, this may be reason. Okay, a law was made in 2006. A law was made in 2006 to give women who face physical, this man physical, this woman face physical, and just in back lecture we discuss what women have responsibilities more. Okay, so our government decide decided was to decide what a law was made in 2000 to give a woman, to give a girl who face physical and also mental violence within their homes, not outdoor, indoor. Okay, also called domestic violence because it's a matter domestic work. Okay, so also we called what? Domestic violence. So this woman face physical and mental violence within your homes. Then in 2006, a law was made for women. Okay, some legal protection and also some legal protection for women who women face physical and mentality violence within your area. Protesting, and this word you may have heard. Okay, heard. And do you know? Can you explain about the protesting? If you yes, then okay. Protesting, the women's movement. It's a type of a protest. If women are doing movement, then that is called protesting. Raise movement raise its voice when violence against women take place. Protesting in any place may be, okay, can be. Means, but in the past time, we saw what moments who women's movement was higher, was higher level in the past time, in the recent past time. Okay, so here are given definition of given word of women movements, because it was higher, it was higher movement in the recent past time. So it replace anything, anything can be happen. Suppose a student movements, maybe a student movements, and a student movements raise your voice when can be regulation, can be violence against leak paper, through leak paper. Okay, so take place protesting. Okay, so maybe women's movement, student movements, employment, about employment movement. Okay, and it's our right to protest, and about protest are mentioned in our Indian Constitution. Indirect, okay, indirect word, through indirect word in our Indian Constitution are mentioned, and it's our right to protest. When we protest, when we do protest, okay, when we need, and when when someone violate our basic needs, about our personal, okay, and about our group, about our community, anyone violates, then we can protest. Okay, then media comes to protest, with protest, okay, to protest. And this moment of people can speak, can speak through media, and can communicate through media, uh, and can receive, media can receive voice of, can receive voice of people, voice of movement people, till our government. Okay, so our government can take decision what are problem of our people, what are situation of public. Okay, when violation against, when violation against, then women take place protest. Okay, so women's movement, and now we are discussing what a women's movement means. It is a higher movement, it is a higher it was a higher movement in the recent past time, and it was history, it is a history. Okay, so women and girls now have the rights to study, and in the just back lecture, in the just previous lecture, I said what women and girl do not get to study, and to and train to become doctor, engineer. So women and girls had not the rights. Okay, now women and girls now have the rights to study and to go to schools. Okay, and you are looking our girl category situation of a girl category. So now girl have the right, and through right girl can go to study and can go in college. Okay, there are other spheres like legal reform, violence, and health, where the situation of women and girls has improved. Okay, according to this rights was improved in situation of women and girls. Okay, and now we are looking what situation of women and girls has improved. These changes have not happened. These changes not happened automatically. Yeah, right. These changes have not happened automatically. Women individually, women individually and collectively also have struggled to bring about these change. This struggle is known as the women's movement. And according to these rights, okay, where the situation of women and girls has improved. So, so whatever you are saying here in the matter of women's movement, then this is called what women's movement. Okay, we call what women's movement. And you and what in past history time we saw discrimination with women, discrimination with girls in the matter to study, in the matter go to school, and in some matter. So in some matters, girls had not the rights. Okay. So through this, girls has to movement, woman has to movement. Okay, to get rights to study and for other some work. So on now time, at the present time, we are saying situation of women and girls has improved, is nice. Okay, these change and these change have not happened automatically, where individually and also collectively have struggled to bring about these changes. This struggle tells us what what was the situation in the recent past history time, and now what is the situation of women and girls. So whenever this word will come, then in our mind will raise question, will raise about women's movement. And here we have discussed about women's movement, but in the upcoming lecture can be come about it. In short, we saw about women's movement. And here you are looking word is campaignian. Campaignian, okay, means another word advertising. But in short, we will say about it. This according to this, we have discussed about situation of girls and boys, and also in the previous lecture, according to census of 1961, we discussed about education of girls and boys. But in the time of 1961, and 1961 was percentage of boy was 40%, and girl percentage of a girl was 50%. And now you are looking at this time, at this census have grown, means 40% to 82% in the boys category, and 50 to 65% have grown in the category of girl categories. So this shows what was the situation of a girl and boys in the time around 1961, and now in the around 2 to 2011, what was situation of our education and of our education of girls and boys. Okay, the percentage of the male group is still higher here. Now you are also you are also saying, still saying what higher is who is higher, boys category, and girls category is lower compared to boys category. Okay, so these girls are leaving schools at the rate because of due to some reason, lack of resources, lack of money, lack of employment. Okay, so this may be reason. And higher, that is higher than category. Apart from this girl, these girl are leaving schools. Okay, due to some reason, maybe lack of resources, lack of employment, lack of money. Okay, so a law was made in 2006 to give women who face physical and mental violence within your home, and also that is called domestic violence, because this is related to domestic articles, domestic works. So also to give women what some legal protection. Protesting is what when we when we voice to our situation, to our problems. Okay, in community, in group. Okay, the women's movement, and as well as such as the women's movement raise its voice when violation against women take place. Means suppose a student a student have liquid paper. Okay, liquid paper, and a student do protest for your voice, and the government see what are situation of our student, and a student speaks through media, and media receive voice of a student till to government. Okay, so a student can protest, but can do protest, but if a student have has violate them. Okay, women's movement. Women and girls now have the rights to study and go to do a school. But in the recent past time, women had not rights to go to a school and to study and to make a career. Okay, there are other spheres like legal reform, violence, and health, where the situation of women and girls has improved at the present time. These changes have not happened automatically. Yeah, in this matter, in this issue, in these cases, in this moment, women was involved individually and also collectively, have struggled to bring a change. This change, this struggle is known as the women's movement, and we at the present time now this struggle we now what in the form of women's movement campaigning. We will discuss in the next turn when when will come when will come will come about this campaign, about this word related to when will come, when then we will discuss. Do you know campaign, it is a type of, through this you can take participate in protest. Okay, so this allows to fight with a discrimination. Okay, and violence against women. Okay, women are an important part of the women's movement. Yeah, but in the case only we cannot say that this is only can be campaign. Okay, we can say also in the other matters, means a student campaigns. Advertising, this is other word meaning of campaign. Okay, if if your if a student has if with a student has violate creates problem. Okay, in matter of big higher level. Okay, higher level. But what are problem with problem with communities, problem with uh, almost a number, a large number of a student. So you see what where our paper leak, our paper becomes leak. Okay, then a student comes in protest, then a student comes in campaign to your voice, and your voice through media, and media receive to government, and government see what are situation of a government, and government take a decision in parliament. You can say, okay, this was situation of our student. So to next what will be decision. Okay, but campaign, it is a type of advertising. Okay, and if you creates, if anyone creates, anyone discriminates with you, then you can campaign, you can protest. Okay, you can protest to your voice. And also when with you violence, when violence with you, then you can campaign, you can take participate in protest. Women are an important part of the women's movement, and the women was an important part of the women's movement and the recent. Okay, so about it we have already clear, but it is here women, about women are saying what if we talk in the matter campaign, then in the campaign, women was an important part of the women's movement. Okay, it's a types also a movement. It's a type of also a movement. And next we are looking discrimination, and it is related to gender, because we are talking about gender. Okay, talking about the gender. So in gender include a discrimination when we do not treat people equally. If you do not treat with someone persons equally, as equally, then any person can say what you treat with person. Okay, you treat with person as unequal. Okay, so whenever, whenever people do not treat with other people as equally, then we can say that is a discrimination in that society. And also with respect, respect, self-respect, and also other respect is compulsory in society, in anywhere, at everywhere. Everywhere means every place. Okay. Violation. Violation. When someone forcefully breaks the law, means our law of our Indian constitutions, when someone forcefully breaks, okay, and a rule, or openly, or a rule, okay, the law, and about a rule, you will discuss in the Indian Constitution, and openly shows disrespect. Okay, disrespect. We can say that he or she has committed a violation. Has committed a violation, and this shows us what it's a violation. Okay, when someone person forcefully breaks our law of Indian Constitution, and in other words, we say a rule, and openly show disrespect of law. Okay, and then we can say that person has committed a violation. That person has discriminated. That person has violated. Violated. Next is sexual harassment. It's a harassment. It's a simple definition here are given. This refers to physical, your physical, and you can understand, or verbal behavior that is of a nature. It is a nature, okay? It is a nature part. But if women are not agree and we forcefully behave with a woman, then becomes this harassment. Okay, because physical is a nature of there are women, there are men, no matter. But women are not agree, then we can say with women are discriminated, are discriminated, and then becomes harassment with women, and also in the matter of men. Okay, if physical of men are discriminated with that person, then we can say has discriminated with that person, and then becomes harassment. This was about gender and also related to gender, related to discrimination. In this matter, if you are discussing, if you are reading about it gender, then you will see uh, some inequalities, some discrimination, some movements, and in this lecture we saw what about women, about women's movement, and this was biggest history in the past time. Okay, and whenever you will discuss about related to these subjects, then you will see about women's movement. This was about, okay, that's it about gender.